Y'all, we are making this couscous salad today. Child of mercy, it is beyond delicious. You have to make it. You can change it with anything. The salad dressing like nails it. It's absolutely delicious. I can't wait for you guys to watch this video and try to make it yourselves. Please, please, please make it yourself. It's absolutely amazing. Let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need a yellow pepper, a green bell pepper, a cucumber. I've got it diced up going in this bowl. Need some black olives, some avocado. For the salad dressing, I'll have all that linked below, but it's just olive oil, red wine vinegar, lemon juice, and then of course some spices, oregano, basil, salt and pepper, and couscous. And I'm getting ready to put it over here. It's boiling. The couscous is a 1-to-1 ratio. I use 4 cups of chicken broth to 4 cups couscous. So now that it's come to a boil, I'm just going to turn it off and let it sit for 15-20 minutes. But it really needs to cool, so I'm going to let it sit a while. I got my olives and put in there. Now I'm going to cut up a red onion and these 3 avocados and put in there. Fresh out of red onions, shallots will make it even better. They're sweeter. I'm going to get these chopped up. Okay, everything's done. The couscous is done. You just want to fluff it with a fork. It's still hot. But I just put some salt, pepper, and mix the vegetables together. I decided to leave my avocado out just because I don't want it to brown. So we'll just cut the avocado when we freshly need it. And then here's the salad dressing. I put it in a mason jar. Just want to give it a really good sturdy shape. And then you enjoy. So as soon as I get this cooled off, I'm going to mix it with this. And yummy. Doesn't that look so refreshing and summer inviting and spring inviting? Now, you can put tomatoes in this too. I chose not to put tomatoes in mine just because I'm getting older, man. I don't want a tomato in my salad anymore. So, anyway, let's fix us a bowl of this. Oh, yeah, one more thing. You should have some feta cheese. I'm fresh out of feta, blue cheese it is. I mean, I went to the store just to buy everything for this and spent $30 and still didn't get everything I needed. I still needed feta cheese and, well, tomato, but I mean, you could put anything in here. You could put squash, you could put zucchini. Whoops, you throw it on the floor. So good. All right, I'm gonna let this thaw because I had it in the freezer. Sorry, I should have used my tripod, but I didn't. But anyway, gosh knows this looks amazing. All right, let's get a bite of it. Got some onion, some avocado, some cucumber, some black olive, pepper, maybe, trying. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, wow. Amazing. Very light and refreshing. This is a staple. I will be making this right much. Very, very good. I'll have the directions linked in the description box below of everything I use. I'm going to enjoy this. Anyway, I hope this video put some yummy in your tummy and smile in your heart. See you guys in the next one. Bye.